You know that feeling when you walk away from a group conversation and your brain goes, did they actually like me? Or were they just being polite? We've all been there. It's not that you're awkward, it's just that most people think charisma is about being the loudest, funniest guy in the room. But true social magnetism is quiet. People communicate that, they're drawn to you in subtle psychological ways you might be completely ignoring. So in this video, I'm breaking down 7 real signs you're socially magnetic. No fake advice, just legit psychological cues most people miss. Let's jump in. Most people play conversational ping pong. You say, I went to Japan, and they immediately jump in with, oh, I love Japan. I went in 2022. They steal the spotlight back. But if you're magnetic, you play catch. You lean in and ask, what was the one moment that took your breath away? You pass the ball back. When you make people feel seen, they subconsciously crave talking to you. Notice what happens when a conversation hits a 3-second pause. Awkward energy freaks out and fills it with nervous laughter or forced small talk. Magnetic people treat silence like a warm cup of coffee. They just sit in it comfortably. When you don't rush to fill dead air, your brain broadcasts a powerful subconscious signal. I am at peace with myself, and I don't need instant validation. In a world starved of attention, full presence is a literal superpower. When someone speaks to you, your phone doesn't exist, and your eyes aren't scanning the room for someone better to talk to. You're locked in. Giving someone 100% of your focus is a rare luxury, and they will instantly like you for it. If a friend offhandedly mentions on Tuesday that their dog has a vet appointment, and on Friday you text them, hey, how's Buster doing? You just unlocked level 100 magnetism. Remembering small, non-essential details proves people aren't just background noise in your life. People remember those who remember them. Fake charismatic people are nice only when they want something. They flatter the boss and ignore the waiter. Magnetic people treat the barista with the exact same warmth as the CEO. Your kindness isn't a sales pitch, it's just your baseline setting. People spot this fast and it builds instant trust. When drama breaks out or someone gets defensive, average people mirror that chaotic energy right back. Magnetic people act as a grounding wire. When someone comes at you with high heat, you respond with steady, calm composure. Being unshakable makes you a safe harbor in a chaotic room. You aren't afraid to admit when you don't know something, or when you made a mistake. Perfection is intimidating, but vulnerability is magnetic. The moment you say, honestly, I have no idea how that works, explain it to me, you give everyone else permission to drop their armor too. Look, one of these signs could be a coincidence. 2 or 3, you're doing great. 4 or more, you are way more magnetic than you think. If you've ever doubted your social skills in the past, drop a comment below. Trust me, we've all been there. And if you want to know how to spot a fake friend in your circle, click the video on screen right now. Peace.